Hello everybody. Right now I'm going to show you how you can install Pygame for your Python programming, and Pygame is just another module that you can use mostly to create games and animations in Python. Pygame does not come installed with your regular Python installation, so you have to install it separately. So let me first show you. So I have my Firefox browser open here. Let me first show you how you can install Python. So here I can just type download Python in my browser and it takes you to this link. So click on that and make sure you download Python 3.5.2 because this is the version that I am currently using on my Windows 10 system. And today I'm going to show you how you can install Pygame specifically for this version 3.5.2. If you have an older version, then the video that I'm about to show you, that's not going to work. You have to use a different method, and I will show that method at the end of this video as well, so stay tuned. But let me just show you how you can install the Pygame version for 3.5.2. So once you download Python 3.5.2, the next thing, so this, how to download this Python 3.5.2, it's one of my previous, I have posted this in one of my previous videos, so you can watch it from there. But today I just wanted to show you that how to install Pygame after you have downloaded Python. So to install the Pygame module for this version, open a new window and type um, Pygame for Python 3.5. Hit enter and you will see this uh, first link, Pygame for Python 3.5. So click on that. And here somebody has posted some problem installing the Pygame for Python 3.5, but here just make sure you click on this link. And once you click on this link, this link uh, has the packages, the the Pygame package for the latest Python 3.5.2. And since I am running the latest version, the Pygame uh, module that I need to download for that is this link over here, CP35M Win32. So Win30, so I have like the Python 32-bit version. So that's why I'm going to uh, download this. So just click on that. And then you need to save the file. So let me just save it somewhere in my downloads folder, most likely. And I'm going to say show all downloads. So as you can see, it has been saved over here. So I'm just going to open the containing folder. And it has been so let me just get rid of this. Okay, so it's in my downloads folder, so I'm just gonna copy this. So right click and copy it, and this is very important. You need to copy this file where your Python program is installed. If you just copy it elsewhere and then run it from there, let's say on your desktop, this module is not going to be, the Pygame is not going to be properly installed. So in my system, in Windows 10 when I installed Python 3.5.2. This is where I need to find the path where I installed my Python. So I'm gonna go to my PC, this PC, and I installed my Python in my C drive. So I'll just click on that, and I'll click on, in my C drive, I'll click on users, my name. So in your case, it will be your name. So users, my name, and then I click on app data. Sometimes app data may not be visible in your list of folders. If that's the case, just go to view and uh, click on hidden items, and it will show you the app data folder. So click on app data, local, and then programs, and then Python 35-32, and then scripts. And as you can see, this is where you need to paste that Pygame package that I just saved. So as you can see, I already saved it before. So that's why my one is already here. But you will just go ahead and right click on it and paste your Pygame module in this folder. And once that is done, just click on uh, shift shift on your keyboard, and then right key, the right click on your mouse, and then click on open command window here. And then here you need to type a command, and it's pip. Actually, I'll write it in my notepad. Here in this window, this is what you need to type: pip 3 install, and then the file that you just downloaded. So I'll just right click on it, click on properties, click on the properties, and then I'll just copy this and paste it here. So this is the command pip3 install, and then the file that you just uh, downloaded. So you need to type this command. So copy this and type it in your window over here. And once you do that and hit enter, Pygame will be installed in your system for the Python version 3.5.2. And to check if your Pygame was installed properly, just open your Python shell, or the integrated development learning environment, or idle. So open your shell and just type a command to see if Pygame was installed properly. So you just need to type import Pygame, and then after you type this in your shell, if you don't get any error, in my case you cannot see any error. It just took me to the next line. If you don't see any error, that means your Pygame was installed properly. And if you get an error that your Pygame module cannot be found or something, that means there was something wrong. So this, the way I showed you is how you can install Pygame for Python version 3.5.2. If you have an older version of Python, such as 3.4 or older than that, then you need to go to a different site to install Pygame. So in that case, you need to go to, just type Pygame just type download Pygame and hit enter. And you need to go to this Bitbucket website over here. So click on that, and this will give you all the files that you need to download to install Pygame in your Python. So if you have, let's say, Python 3.4 version, then I think you have to download this package and run it. If you have a previous version, let's say Python 2, then this is probably the one. So you just have to find the system that's find the version number that's appropriate for your system, and then download that. So for Pygame 3.4 or earlier version, uh, it's either going to be this or this or this or this. So you just have to try and see which one works. Um, I don't recall which one exactly which file needs to be downloaded here, because I don't use 3.4 in this machine. I used it in my previous machine. So as far as I remember, it's either this or this for Python 3.4. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I know Pygame installation can be a bit messy sometimes, but I hope this video will help you. Thank you.